Welcome back. A couple of modifications since last time. By raising the intake pipe up by a couple of metres to the new reservoir, I was able to get a few more PSI head pressure on the system, which gave me a bit more output, which is what we'd like to see. With winter being so dry here in New Zealand this year, it has been difficult to test if any modifications have had any effect on the system's output performance. So I'm changing that valve there to this electric valve here. Alright, she's in. As the reservoir fills, there is a probe in the corner there which has 3 wires, a common, a high level and a low level. So the green is the high, the orange is the common and the blue is the low level. All this is run by a 12-volt battery, a $5 controller, an electric ball valve that turns on and off the water feed pipe as the reservoir level rises and falls. So here's the unit I've been working on. Got a grease line, gonna go through there, stayed up. And shaft. And the peloton wheel's gonna bolt to that. And we'll be away. I 3D printed a little black box to cover up the indicator on the top of the valve. Appears to have an iron shaft, not stainless steel, so with rainwater it does corrode. I was able to get another feed from a culvert that has a paddock runoff, but it only works when there's a lot of rain. But it's good for proof of concept. At the minute I've got 2 jets running into the Fisher & Paykel drum to power the peloton wheel, and there is an improvement by quite a lot. I just need some water now. The best output so far that I've seen with the system is 275 watts, and this has lasted a couple of days while I can do some testing until the rain stops. Apart from that, it's a work in progress. Thanks for watching. Any questions, please feel free to ask. Hit like, subscribe. Thanks again.